In Genshin Impact, once you've reached adventure rank 40 and world level 5, you can actually decrease the world level if you want to, but why exactly would you want to do that? Well, it's mostly there if you want to play the game at a more of a leisurely pace and have less problems when dealing with enemies who will be much lower level then. However, to compensate for that, obviously the drops will also get much worse. However, if you just want to do that, well, the process of doing so is pretty simple. First off, click on this icon in the top left hand corner to access the Paimon menu. Then next to the world level, select the eye, which will bring up this text box right here, explaining some more information about the process, including the fact that you can't change the world level again for 24 hours after you've made the change. Another thing to keep in mind is that you can only decrease the world level by 1 at a time. So then just simply click the lower world level button at the bottom. You can then use the exact same process to increase the world level once you've waited at least 24 hours. So that is pretty much everything you need to know about how to change the world level in Genshin Impact. If for whatever reason the game isn't giving you that option, well, it could be that you aren't on world level 5 yet, or it could be that you haven't waited the 24 hours since the last change. So if you found this video helpful, maybe subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.